It is that time of year again that we have to declare our taxes. And for that, of course, we need information from our trading activities. At Hugo Investing, we provide the most comprehensive information you might need, but we also are aware that clients sometimes do not know where to find that information. Therefore, I want to share with you this short video in which I will explain where you can find the necessary information to declare your taxes without any problems. When you log into the Saxo Trading Go platform, first of all, you will get to the trading section. You click on portfolio, and within the portfolio, you click on all accounts. It all depends, of course, where you are tax resident. So assume that you're tax resident in Spain, you would need several reports. You will need the end of year total value of your account. You will need the dividends, you will need your interest, you will need your coupons, the interest that you receive on bonds. And you also would need the information of your closed positions. So every position that you have closed during the trading year, you need to declare. Each small profit or each small loss you need to include in your tax declaration towards the Agencia Tributaria in Spain. So you click on historical reports, and the first report that you might want to download is the portfolio report. It gives you an overview over all the activities during the year. So of course you need to see portfolio report, all accounts, and you click on last year. In that case, you will get all the information from last year. So the starting value, the 1st of January, and the end value on the 31st of December. The next report is the share dividends. That includes all the dividends that you have received during that year. You can download it either in Excel or you can download it in PDF. I recommend you to do both, because if you want to make a sum of the total amount of dividends that you've received and also of all the taxes that you have paid, the withholding taxes on the dividends, you can easily sum it up for yourself or share it with your tax accountant, tax administration office. The next one is the bond coupon payments. In that document, you find all the payments of the coupons that you have been receiving. The next one is the account interest details. So that is the interest that you have been bearing, that you have been receiving on your trading account. And the last one is, of course, the closed position report. And with that one, I think it's important to download it in Excel. You don't need a PDF, because the Excel allows you to easily sum up each individual position and have an overview on the amount of profit that you need to include in your tax declaration or the amount of losses that you can compensate with your profits for that specific year. Of course, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are there to help you, but I hope with this comprehensive small short video, you're able to download the information for yourself. Thank you for watching. Good luck.